What's up, Pisces? This is your December bonus positive affirmation reading. This is a bonus reading that I offer for the signs that give me the most love. And in the month of November, you guys by far gave me the most love. And this is my way to repay you with my gratitude. You guys gave me the most views, the most likes, the most comments, everything. And I am so grateful for my lovely Pisces. Okay. So this is a positive affirmation reading. I only ask Spirit for positive messages. I don't read any negative connotation here. This is all positive. So this is gumdrops and lollipops. Okay. If you want to see the negative aspects, check out my other video. Okay. So once again, thank you guys so much. And please like and subscribe. If you have already not with my channel. I am a new channel, and here at West Coast Tarot, love is appreciated. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Bliss. Sorry for the glare. Look how beautiful that card is. This is the Fairy Forest. If you guys are wondering what deck this is, these cards, the meanings are so in depth. So I do want to read from it. It's hard to remember everything from this card. But basically it says, you are content, relaxed, and serene. This is no time of complacency, but of true abiding happiness, loving relationships, supportive friendships, meaningful work, and flowing joy. You are secure, safe, and well, and this bliss has mature, healthy roots and branches. It will endure your question. It will endure. Their questions in searching your pain and crisis. They are in the past. And I feel like many of you have been going through a lot. So this is very comforting to know that you guys, what you have gone through, the worst is in the past. Okay. It is now time to be of service in the name of love, to send out love and contentment, to be a living embodiment of the beauty that life can be. You may fear some will be jealous or envious, and so you have been quiet about this joy. But if you share with a loving, secure, and sound heart and send this love out into the wider world, your contentment can only be maintained and deepened. You are the person who proves that bliss is no dream. It can happen. The more you give, the more you will benefit. This being coming forward to speak with you signifies that which many of us live for: close family ties, children, a pregnancy, material satisfaction, happiness, stability, long-term satisfaction, and success. All you must do is radiate out this energy and be grateful. This is not to say there will never be challenges. Challenges will come. They will always come. But so again will bliss. Embrace it. So yeah, even though you guys might be faced with challenges, it's just a minor obstacle. You can always overcome this, okay? Time to focus on you. And I feel like you guys need to manifest what it is in life, because you guys are very intuitive, Pisces, and many of you already know what's up, okay? So I have patience and truth. So this is my patience card, is my temperance card. Many of you need to work on gaining your balance, or you guys are really this month trying to gain balance and control in your life. Patience comes to show that not everything, success is not built overnight, Pisces. Sometimes you really have to put in work and plant the seeds and watch them grow. So I do want you guys to be reminded that you do have the power for success. And sometimes it takes just planting that small seed. You guys need to be patient in order for success to come into your life. But just know that I believe you guys can, as long as you learn to balance your emotions and be patient. This is followed by truth. So the truth card is like my my judgment card. I feel like many of you guys have come to like a revelation. You guys are gaining clarity. You really are trying to balance your life. See the scales here? I feel like you guys know what your worth is, and you want equal give and take, and you expect nonetheless, and that is wonderful. You guys should always make sure that the scales are balanced for you in life, and going forward in life, okay? Leaving the past and going forward on a new balanced journey in your life, okay? Also, you guys just need to take any lessons that you have learned in life and apply it going forward, okay? Heart-to-heart conversations. You guys need to be honest with what it is you want in a person or what you expect from a person, and you need to have this heart-to-heart conversation with yourself. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So this is a month to have beautiful conversations with family members, friends. Doesn't have to be a love interest, but it can. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Communicate. This is a month to communicate, okay? Love who you are. You're a divine and wonderful person, deserving a lot of wonderful things in life that life has to offer, okay? So yeah, if some of you are thinking about taking a cruise, book that cruise, or maybe traveling to an exotic, traveling out of country. Maybe some of you need to travel, but most importantly, you guys need to love who you are and never let anyone make you feel that you're less beautiful, that you're a less beautiful being than you are. Remember, God always sends a rainbow after every storm. I love to say that, okay? I feel like you guys have been going through some really rough waves, but I feel like that's in the past, and going forward, you need to take control of your life and really take your power back, okay? You guys have gone through a tower moment, so something ended. It wasn't meant for you. It wasn't serving you in your life, and just know that's why God intervened, because it wasn't serving you. And you know what? With the Seven of Pentacles here, this is telling me that you guys persevered through this situation, okay? And now you're willing. You guys did work hard in the situation, but it wasn't meant for you. But you know what? I feel like you guys just need to continue to persevere and know that you guys do have abundance coming your way. But always remember that you need to continue to put in work. Always work hard for what you have, and the universe will reward you. And I feel like I'm not worried about you, Pisces, because I know that you will. You will get through this. I feel like for the month of December, you guys might just be retreating and taking a break, which is good because you guys need to work on your self-healing, balancing your emotions. But with the Four of Swords here, I just want to remind you to take care of yourself, rest, really rest your body, contemplate future actions in life. But I do see abundance for you guys, okay? So I really hope you guys are doing well, Pisces. This was just your positive affirmation bonus. Enjoy your holidays. Love and light to you guys. I will catch you in the mid-month. How do they feel about me? And then again in January. All right. Love and light to you, Pisces.